let me quickly show you some of the things I have harvested on my garden since this year. So I harvested some radish. That was the first thing I harvested this year. Both the roots and the leaves are very healthy. This is a very good antioxidant. Then I have some spinach here growing, and I harvested spinach several times, so this is one of the days. And these are some salad leaves, some lettuce, which I started harvesting leaf by leaf. And I harvested some oregano here as well. I have oregano and thyme over here. So over here is some sugar peas, which I have harvested as well. I harvested this several times. I kept on forgetting to record it, but yeah, this early morning I just harvested 4 pieces and I decided to put it on the recording. And in front of it, or over there, is some spinach seed for next year planting. So today I decided to harvest the salad from the roots. I just want to uproot them because they are ready. Some snails are eating it and ants. So I'm harvesting some for salads today, and later on I came to harvest the remaining ones. And now I'm spreading the green amaranth. And over here I have kale leaf. I have some strawberry as well, but let me harvest some kale leaf first. This is the first time I'm harvesting the kale leaf. I traveled and I came back. I met my kale leaf like this, so I'm harvesting it for the first time. Then the kids wanted some strawberries. I also harvested some strawberries for the kids from my garden. Then this strawberry, we've been harvesting it a lot of time. This is just the first time I'm showing it, but we've been harvesting it a long time ago. I think this is the 4th time I'm harvesting it. Then I decided to record it. And the strawberries are so big and tasted so good too. So the next thing I harvested was, I harvested a lot of spinach again today. I decided to harvest all my spinach because I want the seeds to come out very well. Then I harvested some strawberries again. I harvested some oregano and thyme, which I'm going to dry and blend and store in my spices container. And I also harvested another kale leaf today. I harvested a lot of things which I forgot to record, like carrots. I harvested carrots a lot here as well. Then I harvested some more strawberries and raspberries, and the greens are almost ready. My potatoes are almost ready, which I'll be harvesting soon. And I also have some onion and more radish. I think I have to harvest more radish today. So I still have more carrots here as well, and my onions are doing good as well. Yeah, I harvested another radish, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Thank God for a fruitful harvest.